Hi everyone, I'm Carmen with Customize Me HTV. I'll be showing you how to download and save fonts from the web to be used in your custom t-shirt projects. The key to selling custom t-shirts successfully is to have a good idea, a good slogan or quote, or most importantly, a good font. And if you watch to the end, and I'll give you a list of a few font managers I personally use to manage my fonts. The font I will be downloading today will be used to make a custom tote bag. First, open your web browser. Go to fontspace.com. Here, you want to enter in Mom Cake. Once that comes up, click on Mom Cake. Scroll halfway down the page and click on Free Download. Always review the license requirement before using any font. Now open Windows Explorer. Find the file that you just downloaded. Double click the zip file. If you have a zip application installed on your computer, the file may open in that program, but the process is just the same. Double click on the first OST file. Click Install. Once installed, you can close the window. Click on the second file. Install again. Now close all windows on your screen. All right, open Silhouette Studio. We're going to add the text. Select the text tool. Click on your workspace. Let's select it again. All right, I'm going to click on our workspace here. We're going to type "It's what's in the bag that count." Okay, now we're going to modify our text. We're going to choose the text panel on the left-hand side. All right, center it. Now we're going to search, or we're just going to input the font we just uploaded. Type in Mom Cake. There's our font. We choose it. All right. Now we can modify this by, let's center it. Change the way it looks just a bit. I like that look here. All right. Gonna add some color to it so we can see it on the screen. Let's adjust the character spacing. That's too much. Go back a little bit. I like that. Now we're going to center it. And now we've completed. Now we're ready to send it to the cutting machine, and I'm going to show you how to press it onto the tote bag next. Before I continue, I want to mention a few of the free font managers that I use when managing fonts. My go-to font manager is FontBase, which I use to manage all the fonts that I download. It has a very easy to use interface and is simple to manage. A few other font managers that I use is Nexus Fonts, which I've used in the past. It's very simple to use and has a very friendly interface. And MainType 11, which I've used also in the past and has a very friendly interface. If you like this video or have used any other free font managers, leave a comment below. Hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to be alerted of my upcoming video, how to add HTV to a canvas tote bag. And once again, I'm Carmen with Customize Me HTV, and thanks for watching.